I'm gonna show you just how cold it gets here in Minnesota.
Hi, how can I help you?
We get 4 chocolate milkshakes, small.
We've only got these, I'm sorry.
That's fine, I'll get 4 of those.
4 small of those?
Yep,
Anything else?
that's it.
Thank you, 644.
Thank you. Well, it is negative 18 degrees Fahrenheit today, so it should be plenty cold to do this. In addition to your milkshakes, grab 3 pieces of bread and 3 bowls. First, lay out the pieces of bread. Then place the bowls on top of the bread. Put the extra milkshakes in there for added weight. Then position your milkshake in the center of the bowls. Stir the milkshake, then scoop some of it out onto the ground. Let it sit until it's frozen solid. Now you can remove each of the bowls and bread, and hopefully it will stand all on its own. Make sure to subscribe and watch more Minnesota cold and how-to videos of ours.